morning. I'll put this color to the back though since I have her on. So this is your Be Mine Rhinestone long sleeve top, $48.98. That is your sale price. Your 3 easy payments, $16.33. It's A677833. Here are your colors. This is that beautiful azalea, that gorgeous vibrant pink. I mean, I just love the brightness of these colors. Black, look at the beautiful black. And then the color I have on, deep turquoise, extra, extra small, 2-5X. I have this on in a medium if you were wondering, and I am 5'8". A medium is typically the my QVC size in the top, and you see how it fits on me. But people are loving this top. I'm getting so many compliments on it all day.
It's, you know, it's fun, it's different, it has that whimsy that is Quacker Factory with the dancing hearts going from one shoulder down to the opposite hip, and then another one saying, well, hey, don't forget about me.
Out, right?
And so these are done in a combination of embroidery, sequins, and stones. So you can see the sequin, you can see the stone, and then there's an embroidered line underneath. Really fun, and the colors are the same. You just have to choose which top color goes best in your wardrobe, or maybe something that you're missing. You were just saying with the last item how our closet should be a rainbow, right?
I think so.
And so maybe you need a blue, maybe you need a pink, or maybe you need a black. You know, this is just something that's fun and easy. Now I will tell you, let me just double check. There is a little hint of metallic thread. It's not a ton. But so just keep that in mind. Oh, look, there's even a little heart-shaped stud.
Right there in the center.
So
yeah,
fun.
look, this is how it's sewn down on the inside. See that?
Right here.
That's nice. See? Nice. So if you do have that sensitivity, like Angel's been saying, just wear a little tank top or something underneath. That's what I do. This is such a good top. It's soft. It feels good on. I like the length in it, not too long. It's not a tunic, but I am getting a little bit of coverage. It's 26.5 inches to 32.5 inches long. That's your extra, extra small to 5X. It's new. And the price on this one is going up at the end of the day as well. So don't wait on it. Only order of the year. If you are looking for something for Valentine's Day, or you just are like me and you love wearing your hearts all year round, grab this today before the price goes up.
Yes. You're looking at Anne. She's 5'6", and she wears our size medium.
Yep.
And so this is not overwhelming her at all. It looks great on her. Now, when your daughter was young, were you homeroom mom ever? Did you go in and participate?
Come on now. You know I was the homeroom mom.
Okay, good. I'm glad to hear that. I figured that you were.
I was.
But we haven't discussed this,
I
just needed to confirm.
No.
But, I mean, wouldn't this be fun if you're going in?
I cannot tell you. I really wish I would have had stuff like this on. Because you go in, you know, remember when the kids would give out the little cards with the little hearts on them and a little piece of candy? You pass them around to everybody's desk. Like, it was a whole thing. You got to go in, you take little pictures, and it was the sweetest thing. So yes, I would have loved to be able, I did it all the way through high school.
Good for you.
She was tired of me.
I bet, well, you know, because you're an embarrassment when they get to be the teens. Yes.
She really actually appreciated it, and other parents appreciated it because we're actually really close. And so I remember one time another parent was like, I wish my daughter and I were that close. And it just, it made my heart go, oh, because it just made me appreciate our relationship more. So she appreciated the fact that I would show up in stuff like this, or, you know, whatever it was. And so it's just a quick, easy way, whether you're going to work, you do something fun at work. Galentine's Day. I'm invited to a Galentine's Day party on Saturday. You know what I mean?
Nice.
So she was like, just come in something easy and themed for the month of love. Okay.
I love it. The month of love.
The month of love.
So where you have these pieces that you can wear all month long and beyond.
Yes.
You know, I love this because when you're wearing this, even if you're just in the supermarket,
it's true,
pushing a cart, you know, to whatever it is that you need to pick up, and somebody, it catches their eye. And they smile.
I love that.
Maybe they give you a wink and a nod. You know what happens? That's when we start to spread that love and joy.
Right.
And don't we need more of that? Everybody's in such a rush.
And you know what I do when I have those moments? I'm starting to try to be more conscious of it. I'm starting to. It's always a work in progress. But when I see that, I'll say something to the person. I'll go, love your shirt. You know, and it makes them happy too. So it's just a simple thing, but done in a really beautiful way that not only makes you happy, but really can make other people happy.
Yes, absolutely.
Too.
And novelty, we started novelty years and years ago.
Yeah.
We were the only
now it's
brand.
so popular
It's
now.
so popular. Everybody has a little something.
Everybody now.
I was watching some TikTok videos while I was waiting in the green room, and there was some novelty stuff on there, right? But you never know the quality that you're going to get. With us, you know the quality.
Right.
You know this is going to have a beautiful hand feel to it with our 60% cotton, 40% polyester. You know the details are done really, really well because we know you expect that from us. And so we continue to bring them to you over and over again. I was also watching.
I love that you're showing that too, by the way. Look, each heart is different.
Different.
None of them are the same.
No.
Like they're all different.
All different.
Isn't that good? I think these two are
Just
the
like
same.
us.
But that's it. But all the hearts are different.
We're all different.
On here. That's a lot of work. Beautiful. Look at that. Like even the stones in that one, did you see they have the little rectangle stones on here as well? So just really beautiful details on it.
Really amazing. And again, hearts have been an important motif in our line for years, decades, right? But our team continues to make them fresh, different, and fun for you because we know that you want that from us.
These are good. Okay. They're new. The price goes up at the end of the day today.
Oh boy.
Don't wait on these. And a color is starting to get limited. Which color do you think out of the three?
Your deep turquoise?
No.
Oh, the pink?
The black.
Oh, the black.
And the azalea.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah. My turquoise is doing okay. So if you're shopping for the black or this gorgeous azalea, this beautiful pink, don't wait on it. Price is going up at the end of the day today. You're checking one thing off your list. I'm sure you'll have it in time for Valentine's Day. That's a little over 2 weeks away. You'll be able to wear it if you have a function to go. And it's on a Friday this year.
Yes.
So if you have something really fun planned, people are celebrating all month. Like I said, I know they're definitely going to be celebrating all weekend. So whether it's just you going out with your honey or you going out with your family, what a fun way to just, again, celebrate the month of love. Really, really well done. All of that gorgeous stoning, that beautiful little bit of embroidery in there, and then of course you have a little sequence in there, but done in such this fun way.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
And February is also, besides being Black History Month, it is also Heart Health Awareness Month.
Yes.
And so, maybe this is your reminder to make sure that you take care of your heart.
That's right.
And that you also spread the love and the joy of all things Quacker.
26.5 inches to 32.5 inches. That is extra, extra small to 5X. Those are your sizes on this one. You machine wash it, tumble dry. Again, inside out. We need to make some inside out. Machine wash and tumble dry, inside out. Machine wash and tumble dry. Okay, listen, that was good, actually.
I like it. We need to record it. Record it. Record it.
Listen, that's what happens. It's Wednesday. Beautiful
It's
black.
the Quacker Happy Hour.
It is.
Yes.
I love that. That's that gorgeous black, which I kind of am in love with the black too.
Yeah.
So I understand why that one's starting to get limited. Don't wait on the black.
With your new jeggings that are coming to your house.
Oh my gosh, fewer than 100 left in the black.
Uh-oh.
That's been popular. This is new, okay? So that's probably gonna go really, really soon. The color I'm wearing is that gorgeous deep turquoise. And then also getting very limited, I mean, come on,
pretty.
The azalea.
Yeah.
That gorgeous, gorgeous pink. $16.33. Price on that one goes up at the end of the day. It's A677833. That's it? We're done.
Done and done.
Thank you.
Thank you, my friend.
I'll see you next week?
Yes.
Oh, good.
I believe so.
All right,
Tuesday
awesome.
at 2 a.m.
Perfect.
National Quacker Day.
Oh, that's right. I am. My first 2 a.m. shift in like 5 months. So that's going to be a lot of fun. A677833. I get to kick off National Quacker Day.
Yes.
We're going to have a good time at 2 a.m., y'all. Monifa Days QVC. Follow me on Facebook and on Instagram. Beth Chandler is coming up. We have an hour of Susan Graver. Take care, everyone.